Have you ever felt stuck? Like your dreams are just out of reach, but something's always holding you back? Well, let me tell you this, what's stopping you isn't the world, it's your mind. Your mind can either hold you back or push you forward. And today we're going to talk about how to develop mental habits that will make you stronger, more focused, and more successful. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact habits that will build a strong, unshakable personality. Trust me, if you stick with these habits, you'll start seeing big changes in your life. But here's the catch. If you don't follow through, nothing will change. Let's dive in. All right, first things first, to build mental strength, you have to change the way you talk to yourself. Let's go deeper. Step 1, practice positive self-talk. Do you ever hear yourself say, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? These negative thoughts are sabotaging your success. The first habit to develop is positive self-talk. Here's the thing, your mind listens to everything you say. If you constantly tell yourself you're not good enough, your brain starts believing it. Instead, speak to yourself like you would to a close friend, with kindness, encouragement, and support. Do's. Start each day with positive affirmations. For example, say, "I am capable," or "I can overcome any challenge." When negative thoughts arise, replace them with something positive. Tell yourself, "I can learn from this." Don't say things like, "I'm a failure," or "I'm not smart enough." Don't let negative thoughts control your day. Shift them quickly. Narrator. Now that we know how to talk to ourselves positively, what about our emotions? Let's talk about emotional awareness and how it shapes a strong mind. Step 2. Cultivate emotional awareness. Feelings are powerful, but how many of you have found yourself losing control of your emotions? Letting anger, fear, or sadness take over. A strong mind doesn't let emotions control it. It learns to manage them. The habit of emotional awareness means being in tune with how you're feeling without letting those feelings take over your actions. When you can understand and control your emotions, you'll respond better to challenges and keep a clear mind. Do's. Pay attention to your feelings throughout the day. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now, and why? Or when emotions arise, take a moment to breathe, pause, and then decide how to respond. Don'ts. Don't ignore or push down your emotions. They're important signals about what's happening inside. Don't react impulsively. Take a moment to reflect before responding. All right, now that we've got a handle on our thoughts and emotions, what's the next step? Taking action. It's time to turn your mindset into results. Step 3. Take consistent, purposeful action. It's easy to talk about goals, but without action, they're just dreams. The habit of taking consistent action is what separates successful people from those who just wish for success. Every single day, you have to show up, even if you don't feel like it. Don't wait for motivation to hit you like a lightning bolt. The truth is, motivation comes from action. You build momentum by getting started, not by waiting for the perfect moment. Do's. Break your goals down into small, daily tasks that you can accomplish. Stay consistent. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, doing something every day will add up. Don'ts. Don't wait for the perfect time. That moment rarely comes. Don't fall into the trap of procrastination. Start now, even if you're not fully ready. Okay, you're taking action, but what happens when you face failure? Does it stop you, or does it push you forward? That's what we're talking about next, embracing failure. Step 4. Embrace challenges and failure. Let's face it, failure hurts. But here's the secret. Failure is a part of success. Every successful person has failed at least once, if not 1,000 times. But the difference is they didn't let failure stop them. They used it as fuel to keep going. When you face challenges, don't run from them. Embrace them. Learn from your mistakes. The more you push through adversity, the stronger your mind becomes. Do's. See failure as an opportunity to grow. Every mistake teaches you something. Take risks even if they scare you. You'll never know what you're capable of unless you try. Don'ts. Don't give up just because things get tough. Push through the discomfort. Don't let fear of failure stop you from taking action. We've talked about controlling your thoughts, emotions, and actions. But here's the final habit: lifelong learning. You're never done growing. A strong mind isn't static. It's always growing, always learning. When you stop learning, you stop improving. The best part? The more you learn, the more you expand your potential. Don't settle for where you are today. Keep growing, keep evolving, and always look for ways to improve. There's always something new to learn, whether it's about yourself, the world, or a new skill. Do's. Read books, watch educational videos, and seek out new knowledge every day. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow. Don'ts. Don't get comfortable with where you are. There's always room for growth. Don't stop learning just because you think you know enough. Building a strong mind isn't easy, but it is worth it. The habits I've shared today will change the way you approach life, challenges, and success. But let me ask you this. What's holding you back from achieving your full potential? If you want to dive deeper into the obstacles that might be stopping you from improving your life, make sure you check out my next video. What's holding you back from achieving self-improvement? Trust me, you'll want to watch this. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below telling me which habit you're going to work on first. Also, share this video with someone who needs it. Together, we'll build stronger minds and stronger lives. Let's make mental growth your new habit. See you in the next video.